Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this update we're going to talk about a sideways market. Now we have a number of sideways markets, and while they are not usually where my attention will be, I prefer those double green uptrends. Uptrends are, for the vast majority of traders, going to be the best environment to take advantage of. But there are a number of markets that are moving sideways. We just have to be aware of that. The Dow continues to move sideways. The Russell continues to move sideways. Crude oil continues to move sideways, as does gold. Today, gold is the topic of our conversation here. So let's discuss what I have going on and what I think our best bet is going to be in gold. So when you have a choppy market, the first thing to do is identify what the near-term chop is. Now, when I say near-term chop, we have a high to low range that's, obviously spanning this distance. We also have a high to low range spanning this much smaller distance. This would be the near-term chop that I'm going to be using for the setup. Okay, so we can just sort of zoom in here and take a look at what we're working with in this narrower range. Now, I'm not doing fib work here, but what I've done is I've just pulled a quick Fibonacci from the high to low of the range. And what I'm really interested in first is cutting this range in half. Okay, in other words, so now I have a top half of the range and a bottom half. Now, if you're looking for an aggro entry to the long side, which is exactly what I want in gold, I'm looking to be a buyer. I want to get long. The bottom half is going to be the aggro place to start. The second way that I'll do it is a third. What's the bottom third? And so the bottom third is basically, you can use the golden mean, the 618, just anything in this area. It's going to be the bottom third, which, as you can see with today's candle, we traded into. And that, again, it's going to be another zone to be long gold. It could be micro gold, full-size gold. It could be, it could even be the GLD calls. Lastly, and this is the most conservative, I'll look for the bottom quarter. And, once again, I can use this 786. I can use Fibonacci. This is the 786. And this is my bottom quarter. All right, so I'm looking at opportunities in here. And this would be the conservative zone. And we just tagged that zone right here. Now, having now sunk into the bottom third and the bottom quarter of chop, this is now, and remember, again, it's chop because my JT trend lower row is yellow. This is where I want to start getting long, again, GLD calls, the GC futures contract, or alternatively, MGC. Start with the environment. That is step one. Then get the zones. That is step two. And just this process here that we've discussed in the last 3 minutes, this is going to set you far apart from most traders who, haven't started with the environment, therefore cannot get the zone process down. Practice this zone and chops. It's going to change your distribution market trend, your choppy market trading. I'll see you in the next update. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.